Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This will show you how to create a report for tabulated dimensions and graphic reports. So here's an inspection I've made already. I've already entered some identifiers as shown. Okay, so run reports, need to click here. We're going to do a right click and choose it from this menu. Okay, now you need to tick which report type you like and also which view in terms of the graphic details. So on the XY and the YZ view. Now show ID refers to this little tab here, shows the XY view, so that'll be on a report. And show grid shows this background. Also going to choose tabulated dimensions. If we look at the headers, I've already entered some information. Now I want to enter a material, so if I click edit labels I can change one of the headings. I'm actually going to call that one material instead. Now I can pull material from the program. So if we click on this I button here, we can see we've got material here. So I'm going to copy this, which is Control C. Then click in here and do a Control V to paste. And that will pull the material from the program. So you see it's set to mild steel. I'm going to run the reports. You see there's 3 reports generated. You have an XY view, a YZ view, and a tabulated dimensions view. Okay, so you have the identifiers which I edited, the nominal, actual, the error, upper and lower tolerance, and pass-fail statement. We also have geometric information. So at this stage we can print either to a PDF or to a local printer. We can also save individual files, and they're saved as Excel spreadsheet format. We can save all the files, which I've done here. So in this case I need to create a folder to save them, or choose a folder. So I'm going to create one in this case. And that's saved 3 files to that folder. Okay, I'm just going to clear this viewer. So this is a report viewer, so I can look at files at any time. So I can load a file by this button. So I can pick individual files. Or I can open an entire folder. So I click on folder. I need to locate the one I created just now. Click OK, and you see it's brought in all the inspections from that folder.